Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add your YouTube channel on your TradingView account, and now let's dive right in. Now to add your YouTube channel on your TradingView account, first open up your TradingView app on your phone, and after opening your TradingView app, guys, you land on this interface where you can see your menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner, and over here, guys, you can see the pen icon on this interface at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the pen icon, and you can see, guys, you'll be required to add your channel address over here, which will be available on your YouTube Studio. And you can see, just copy it and paste it and save it by tapping on the tick mark at the top right corner of the screen, and that will be saved, and your YouTube channel will be added to your TradingView account from your phone. And guys, this is how to add YouTube channel to your TradingView account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.